Thank you for your interest in digital growth community. And today I want to explain what automations are. In digital marketing, you hear people talk about automated business and automated business that runs for you 24/7. But what does that exactly mean? So I want to take you into that and quickly show you what an automated business looks like on the back end. So let's go. So the first page here is your capture page. When you click on the website link, which is what you did with me, it'll take you to this page. So you're familiar with it. Well, this is your capture page. And this is so important because you are gathering this person's email address. Email equals money. So you must have an email address so you can continue to communicate with that person. So that's what's happening here is you're putting in your email address. This is automatically putting you onto my email automation, which we'll look at in a minute as well. So once you put your email address here, yes, get my blueprint, that takes you to the next step. So you would have received an automatic email from me with the blueprint attached, and it would have taken you to the next step in the automated process, which we'll look at. So here we are with the next step in the process, which is the thank you page. So all it's going to do is give you more directions and more information. So as you can see, it says check your email for the email that I sent you with the blueprint, the 10K to 30-day blueprint. And then there's a short video kind of explaining how the process works. Now, there is a standard video provided that you can put in here, which I used in the beginning because I had no idea what I was doing. So I put it in here. It's beautiful, it's perfect, but eventually you'll want to personalize it with your own video, which is what I've done here. But again, that is provided to you. Everything else on this page is done for you. The testimonials, the buttons, everything is set up for you. I can't express that enough. So this is where you want your person to click, yes, I'm ready to move to the next step, which is all of the information about the programs and where they can buy. So let's go there next. And voila, here is your website. Again, this is not something you have to set up to get people to go to. It's all step-by-step in the process. So once they put in their email address, everything else happens automatically. So this is what your actual website looks like. Everybody's looks the same, and you can customize it if you want to, but why? It is beautiful. So there's a few things that you will want to customize, but as you can see, it takes you through all the information. These pictures, of course, I changed because my target audience is those over 40. So I put some pictures of some older folks there. But there's a section about you because you do want people to connect with you. So you might put your picture, your logo, and a little bit about your background. But that is it. The rest of this, I did not touch. This is everything that is already set up. Everything. So it's all the information that somebody would want to know about the program and more. So it takes you through every one of the 4 products that you have available to sell. It takes you through all the bonuses, which are amazing in themselves. And then it takes you down to where you can buy. So the Legacy Builders program, which is the $900 level, it starts out there. And then it takes you through each of the other levels. And this is where you hope that someone buys. Now, if they don't, if they get to this stage and they're like, I'm still on the fence or I still have questions, then that's okay because they're in your email automation. So they're going to continue to get emails that remind them of the benefits of the program. And then eventually the hope is that they buy. So now let's go to your email automation. So now we're at your email automation. So as you know, you received the here's your blueprint email, and that was sent automatically. Now, after a certain number of time, you will get another email. Now, if you buy, you're taken off this email list, right? We don't need to continue to tell you wonderful benefits about the program. But if you don't, you're going to continue to get more emails. So as you can see, this one comes after 6 hours. This one comes one day after the last email. This one comes 6 hours after. Again, all of this is already set up. You don't have to create these emails. You don't have to do anything with these emails. The only thing you might want to do, of course, is personalize it and put your name or your logo or your picture. But everything is set up. Tweaking is major easy. So everything is set up for you. So that's what I'm talking about with automation. So the automation includes your capture page, your funnel, and then it includes the email automation. It's all set up. So, and when I say this is 100% easy for you to get set up, That is absolutely the truth. So if you have other questions after looking at all this information and reviewing the video, then let me know. I'm here to help. Just email me and I'll be glad to answer any of your questions. All right. Thank you.